Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the distance unit on the GeoExpert application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the settings icon at the upper left corner of the screen, and here you can find the second option, the distance, and here you can select kilometer or miles, and just click the circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.